Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can connect your DKnight speaker. This is a big magic box if you're having problems with it. So right now I'm trying to connect it to this phone here and it recognises it. You can see big magic box, but it says couldn't connect. So I'm unable to connect it, and I can do this over and over again and it won't connect. So what you have to do is, this will only hold one Bluetooth connection at a time. So we've got to delete the Bluetooth connections from here and then it will connect to here. It actually says in the instructions on the last page, it says if the big magic box successfully paired with the last device, it will prevent any other Bluetooth devices from pairing to it. And it says to disconnect a device from here, you need to press and hold the pause button for 5 seconds until the blue light flashes. So watch this now. I'm going to turn it on. Okay, so it's on now, and I'm going to press and hold this for 5 seconds. This button here, the play button. Play and pause. I'm holding it down. Okay, that's 5 seconds, so I'm going to let go now. I'm just going to turn this off, and I'm going to turn it back on again. And this time we're going to scan again. Let's see now if it goes through. So it says couldn't connect. Let's scan again. You can see it's flashing here, but it was flashing beforehand. There you go. Let's see if it works this time. And there you go, it didn't come up with this before. Pair. And that's it, you now heard it beep, and we have a solid blue light here. And there you go, you can see it's connected now, 50% battery remaining. So if you are having problems, just do that. Just turn on your item, hold this down for 5 seconds, the play button, and then turn this off here, turn it back on again. Hopefully then you will be able to connect to your device again. Thanks for watching.